Hello farmers, and welcome back to Chicken Grow. If you are keeping layer chickens, you already know the brutal reality. Feed costs can easily eat up to 70% of your entire farm budget. And let's be honest, staring at commercial feed prices month after month can make you feel like you are working for the feed mill, instead of making money for yourself. But what if you could take total control of your bird's nutrition, maximize your egg production, and save a massive amount of money by making your own feed at home? In this ultimate masterclass, I am going to give you the exact step-by-step blueprints to formulate your own high-performance layer chicken feeds at every single growth stage. From day one chicks all the way to peak egg production. We are covering the precise formulas for chick mash, grower's mash, and layer's mash. I'll share the exact ingredients, the precise measurements for a perfect 100-kilogram batch, and the specific nutritional thresholds your birds need to thrive. Plus, because ingredient availability varies, I am giving you two completely different formulas for your layers mash so you can choose the option that is cheapest and easiest to source in your local area. Learning to mix your own feed is the absolute turning point for poultry profitability. If you are ready to stop guessing and start processing your own professional rations, hit that subscribe button right now, turn on the bell notification, and smash the like button. Let's build your first batch. Let's start right at the beginning. Stage 1. The chick mash. Baby chicks grow at an incredibly explosive rate. Because their bodies are rapidly developing bone structure, internal organs, and early feathers, they require an intense, nutrient-dense diet containing 18 to 20% digestible crude protein. If you cheap out on protein during these first 4 weeks, you will permanently stunt your pullets, and they will never reach their true egg-laying potential. You will feed this specific recipe from day 1 up to the end of week 4. Here is your exact ingredient breakdown to mix a perfect 100-kilogram batch of premium chick mash. Take out your notebooks for this. First, your energy foundation. You will need 46 kilograms of whole maize. Next, your plant protein engine. Add 25 kilograms of sunflower meal or groundnut cake. For dietary fiber and bulk, add 13 kilograms of wheat bran, followed by 10 kilograms of wheat pollard for energy and digestibility. Now for your premium animal protein, you need 2.6 kilograms of fish meal, and for a calcium baseline, add 2.5 kilograms of limestone. Finally, we mix in our precise micro-ingredients. You will need 140 grams of tryptophan, 140 grams of threonine for gut health, 120 grams of coccidiostat for parasite prevention, and 100 grams of toxin binder for mold protection. Finish the mix with 70 grams of animal salt to drive appetite, 40 grams of poultry premix for core vitamins, 20 grams of lysine, and 20 grams of methionine for feathering and growth. Ensure these micro-ingredients are perfectly blended, so your baby chicks get a completely uniform dose in every single peck. Once your birds hit week 5, their nutritional needs shift dramatically. It is time to graduate them to grower's mash, which they will eat from week 5 all the way to week 18. The next mash and its ingredients will be in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay happy.